I would like to introduce our new SAP mobile application called Service Entry Sheet. A mobile app to complement the entire functionality of the SAP Service Entry Sheet. This app works on both iOS and Android devices. This app is developed on Sybase Unwired platform and in turn connects with the SAP ERP system. To access this app, we need to configure the device with Sybase Mobile Workflow 2.1. Before we go ahead with the Service Entry Sheet demo, we would like to show the purchase order in SAP system. Execute transaction code ME23N and then enter PO number and go to purchase order display. Now let us create a service entry sheet using our mobile application. To do this, we need to launch SAP Workflow Client application. Go to menu and select Workflows. Now we see the list of mobile applications which are already installed in this device. Select Service Entry Sheet. Now this will take us to a login screen. Here we need to enter SAP username and password to log in into the mobile app. On successful login, app will route to selection criteria to get service items. Enter purchase order number, for example 450017392 and line item number and submit. Once we click on submit, app displays purchase order details like PO number, item number, short text, quantity, net price. Now go to menu and execute get service items. App displays the services of the line item selected. We can select the service for which a service entry sheet has to be created. Here we can find ordered quantity and the balance quantity. Now we can select a line item to create service entry. Here we can enter the service quantity delivered by the service provider. Say for example, I have received 5 service quantities delivered by the provider. This field will allow less than or equal to the balance service quantity, or else an alert would be raised. After updating the quantity field, select menu and then choose save. Now app routes back to the service item screen and we can find the X flag for the item which have been updated for the service item. Like this, we can create service item update for each line item one after one. We also have an option to enter the final service entry sheet for the purchase order with selection of final checkbox. Once final checkbox is selected, we would not be able to create any service entry sheet for the same purchase order. So I am unchecking it. After updating the service quantity, go to menu, select create service entry sheet and post service entry. We will now get a confirmation message stating that service entry sheet has been created successfully. Similarly, we can create service entry sheet from anywhere at any time. To view the service entry sheet created in mobile app, log into SAP ERP system and execute transaction code ME23N. For this line item 10, we have created the service entry sheet for this particular purchase order. In order to view the service entry sheet, go to purchase order history This is a service entry sheet we have created in the mobile app with 100000494. Select this to view the service entry what we have created in the mobile app. Thank you.